What do you want me to do? I'm also mature before my age, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I'm okay. I'm very thankful with that. Because like I know everything, now. I know everything and I'm aware of it now. I'm aware of that. So like later on in the future, if I get these things, I can handle it myself. I'm not handling anyone else except myself. Thank you for thank you for making me mature. I'm really thankful for that. Really. And at the end of that fight, I told her that I don't want to return to Jakarta. To which she answered that she didn't want there and I could sleep on the streets. So dia pengen bikin aku berhenti dari sekolah ini. Ya, dia pengen bikin aku berhenti dari sekolah ini gara-gara aku nggak ngikutin apa yang dia mau. Dia bilang dia nggak mau bayar sekolah ini lagi buat aku. Terus abis itu aku telepon Antonio. Aku nangis, of course. And aku juga udah bilangin ke guru aku. Dan kata guru aku, ya udah, biarin aja. Kamu di sini safe. We're not letting you out of the streets or anything. And I'm really thankful for that because of Antonio. Ya. Kayak bener-bener dia itu selalu ada di sisi aku. Kayak bener-bener dia tuh ngerti banget apa yang aku rasain. Tapi mama aku tuh nggak pernah ngertiin apa yang aku rasain. Aku nggak ngerti kenapa. And then I called Tony and told him about it, yang tadi aku bilang. Terus, and then Tony offered to pay for my school and in London and even adopting me. Karena mama aku bilang dia udah capek sama aku. Dia udah capek sama aku dan aku juga udah capek sama dia karena aku cuma gak mau posting video ini dan dia bilang kamu gak bisa ngebantuin orang tua kamu. Maksudnya apa? Aku nggak ngebantuin dia, nggak ngebantuin mama aku. Maksudnya apa? Aku emang salah ya. Aku kasih opini aku ke mama aku. Aku emang salah ya. Aku nggak mau taruh sesuatu yang jelek-jelek, apalagi yang nggak bener di story aku. Apa aku salah? Teman-teman aku lihat nanti di sekolah, kepala sekolah lihat. Apa aku nggak malu? I'm ashamed of myself and I'm pity of myself, of course. Because of you. You're making my life destroyed right now. I cannot even cry anymore. My tears is gone. Dan ada satu teman aku bilang, kenapa sih mama kamu dan kenapa sih mama kamu posting so bad things about in your story? And then I said that I don't know. It's her life, it's not mine. Aku aja sekarang udah malu. Maksud aku kayak aku nggak mau ikut campur. Karena apa? Karena aku juga punya reputasi di sini yang harus aku jaga. I need to have a good image here. I don't want people to put bad image in myself. Like literally, that's a shame of myself. Like, sorry. Oh my God. And then Tony told me to not worry and just post whatever my mom has sent me to avoid any trouble. Jadi waktu itu aku pas bilangin ke Tony, aku bilang aku harus apa? What should I do? I don't want to do it. And then Tony said that you just do it and do everything that she tells you. And I said that I don't want it. I said that I don't want it. Dan aku nggak bisa kayak gitu karena aku kasihan. Maksudnya kayak aku juga kasihan sama diri aku sendiri dan aku juga kasihan sama papa. Maksudnya aku nggak mau ikut campur dan aku harus ikut campur masalah orang dewasa. Maksudnya apa? I don't even understand. And then abis itu Tony bilang, and then Tony offered me to pay my school in London and even adopting me. Tadi aku udah bilang itu. Jadi kayak sekarang Antonio yang bayarin buat aku. Apapun aku yang di sini, dia yang urus. Sekolah lagi diurusin. Jadi aku nggak tahu lagi mau ngapain. Jadi sekarang Antonio is my dad. Karena dia bilang dia mau adopt aku. Aku juga udah bilang ke mama aku kalau aku nggak mau balik lagi ke Indonesia dan aku nggak mau balik lagi ke Jakarta. Dan dia bilang ya udah nggak usah balik lagi. Saya capek katanya. And I said that, why are you tired? The one who's like being tired is supposed to be me. Like, like you're literally breaking my life apart, even my school. And like, you already pay for this school and you're just destroying everything that you've done for me. And like, I don't know, I'm very ashamed of you. Like, you cannot like, I don't know. You cannot understand me. I mean, like, you don't need to understand me, but at least you understand my school. Like, I'm having a school here, and you already paid here, like, a very, very expensive school here. And, like, you're just tearing it all apart by yourself, and I don't even understand why. I just wanted to tell you guys that Tony is a good man. This is my conclusion. Antonio is a good man. He's a good father. He's very gentleman. If you don't trust me, you can ask everyone else that knows Tony well. Yeah, you know who. Like, you know who knows Tony and still follows Tony. You know who. He's just a wonderful person, you know. He's a really good father. He's just so wonderful. He always took good care of me and my brother. Sampai kayak mereka bener-bener nggak bisa kayak bener-bener pisah. Dan waktu itu sebelum aku kesini, aku juga pengen kasih tau kamu ini. So before I went here, there's also something happen. They fight. I don't know because of what. Jadi pas pulang dari Jogja, kita balik ke rumah dan suddenly kayak mereka berantem. Dan Aska ngeliat Antonio dipukul. Dan Aska nangis, of course, because like he loves him. Aska loves Antonio like really, really much. Dan dia ngeliat Antonio dipukul. Of course, kalau kita ngeliat orang yang kita sayang dipukul, of course kita nangis. Dan Aska nangis dan tiba-tiba Mimi marah. Mimi bilang, "Mimi kenapa nangis?" Dan Aska ditampar, tapi aku di kamar, aku nggak ngeliat, tapi aku denger. Terus habis itu my uncle ambil Aska, disuruh ke bawah. Pas mereka berantem, itu bener-bener Aska heartbroken. He's so close to me. Kayak aku sama Aska tuh kayak dekat, tapi nggak terlalu dekat karena kayak kita adik kakak ya, it's a common thing. Dan dia bilang kayak, I don't want Papa to go. I want to go with Papa to Germany. I don't want to live with Mimi because I love you. I don't know. Jadi kalau misalnya Antonio nggak ngurusin Aska, nggak ngurusin aku, nggak ngurusin Arkana, nggak mungkin Aska sampai bisa bilang kayak gitu. Nggak mungkin Aska bisa bilang kayak gitu. Even mereka berantem di depan Arkana, you know, because of what? Because do you want to know how I know? Because I used to ask Arkana, so like I'm teasing him, like, Arkana, do you love Mimi? Arkana, do you love Papa? Yes. Do you love Kakak Loli? Yes. Do you love Abang? Yes. Do you love Mimi? No. And I said that, why? Why you don't love Mimi? You need to love Mimi. And then he said that, yes, because Mimi punch Papa.
New Revitalift Eye Serum by L'Oreal Paris with a triple beat applicator for an instant cooling effect.
Dan aku kayak, hah? Ade, you cannot do that. You cannot speak like that. Dan aku nangis, aku nangis di situ. Aku nangis. Dan dia kayak, anak sekecil itu ngerti. Karena apa? Karena mereka suka berantem di depan anak kecil. Suka berantem di depan Aska dan Arkana. I mean, like, I understand why they're fighting, but like, Arkana dan Aska mereka harusnya lihat. Tapi entah kenapa Mimi kemarin pas sebelum ke London, sebelum pas aku mau pergi ke sini, I don't know what happened to her brain. Dan dia pukul Tony, dia pukul diri dia sendiri, gitu-gitu. Dia bilang you don't love me anymore, gitu-gitu. Ngerti nggak maksud aku? Dan dia suruh Tony pergi, tapi pas Tony udah mau pergi, dia malah ngebuka kopernya, malah ngacak-acakin ininya. Dan dia juga suruh Teteh kayak gak usah bantuin dia bisa ngebersihin sendiri. I don't know even why. I don't know. Dan mereka juga selalu berantem kayak, mama aku kan punya TikTok, dan mama aku suka PK-PKN di TikTok. Is like where you like doing live in TikTok, and but like there's also like someone joining your TikTok, and like you have like this, I don't know what is it called in English, but like in Indonesia it's like PK-PKan gitu. Dan dia suka dia suka nge-live gitu di TikTok. Dan kayak kalau yang kalah tuh kayak harus ngelakuin sesuatu, either kayak like putting lipstick on your face or like you dance. Dan waktu itu kayak Antonio ngeliat mama aku jogetin pantat dia di depan kamera. Of course Antonio marah. I mean like they're having a relationship, and then suddenly like you found out that like your wife is like putting her ass in the screen, like in front of a man. Of course he's mad. Kalau misalnya aku sama pacar aku, dan pacar aku tahu kalau misalnya aku kayak gini, kasih tahu pantat aku ke kamera dan aku joget-joget kayak gitu, ya of course misalnya pacar aku marah, ya of course dia berhak marah. Dan mama aku malah bilang kayak, it's up to me, I can do whatever you want. What do you mean you can do whatever you want? Kayak Antonio tuh kayak like your husband, I mean like your aku gak ngerti. Makanya aduh, aku pusing banget serius. Maksud aku gak, gimana ya, I'm really disappointed at my mom, you know. I'm just disappointed at my mom because like I love her, you know, but like I'm so tired of her because she doesn't understand me. I just want to have school, and he broke me now. Like, I just want to be happy.
Champion Extra GG with Guardian by Acno 5. Fight 99.9% acne caused bacteria in just 10 seconds.